Where are you from?
I'm from island.
Island. What island?
Gauss Island.
Is it beautiful island?
Yeah, of course.
Can I go there?
Yeah, of course.
What are the things that I can see in your island?
Beautiful beach.
Really?
Yeah.
What is the name? Gauss.
Gauss Island.
Gauss. Where is that part in Bohol?
You can...
Do you study here?
Yeah.
Which school? What school here?
CCU. UCC, I mean.
UCC. Oh, okay. So, walay hotel ani?
Ha?
Walay hotel ani?
Uy! Uya! Uy! Uya! Iba English si Pili mo! Thank you.
Okay, i-upload to Facebook.
Ha? Ha?
I-upload to Facebook.
Ano?
I-upload sa Facebook.
Oh, pwede ra.
Sige.
Thank
Say
you.
nga ni ma.
Ang simple siya mo.
Golden Stream.
Oh?
Golden Stream.
Golden?
Golden. Oh, golden. Golden.
Golden.
Stream. Why space? Ba't parang Tagalog kapag nagsasalita?
Galing kasi ako ng Maynila.
Ah, pero yung sa isla news, ang tawag nun?
Gauss Island.
Gauss? May Gauss Island ba sa Bohol?
Oo.
Part malapit sa
Si PG.
Pitogo.
Pitogo.